Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the Handjob Stroker by the Boners collection. So let's get started. So this is the Handjob Stroker itself. And you can enjoy fantastic pleasure yourself or with your partner. It's made of a very soft material, so it's very soft and smooth to the touch and will feel really comfortable and soft during use. The material is also stretchy for the perfect fit as well. The nubs on the inside provide optimal stimulation with every movement. It's very simple and easy to use. Simply apply some water-based lubricant to the inside and move the stroker up and down the shaft of the penis and enjoy the wonderful stimulation. Make sure to clean the Handjob Stroker after every use using either a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth, or you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water. And that is the Handjob Stroker by the Boners collection. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.